Hi everyone. Well guys, I do have another product that was gifted to me this Christmas or last Christmas. It's actually an amazing product from the Nature Republic. Right. So, this is the California Aloe Fresh Powdery Sun Stick. So, this is an SPF 50 plus PA. So there you go. So this one is a stick. Unlike as the sun screen that we're used to, which is the cream or sometimes liquid. So, medyo sticky siya pag nilagay natin. But this one is a stick. So, it comes with this cover. And not only that, it has its cover on top as well. So, ito yung itsura niya guys. Taas natin. So, my friend Joanna gifted me this. If you can remember, she also gifted me a brow pomade. I think that was 5 to 7 years ago, and it's also really good. So, ito, before I'll put this, nilalagay muna ako ng moisturizer. And the moisturizer that I really like is this one. Ubus na nga siya. Pond's Bikini Man. So this is Pond's Healing Hydration in Watermelon. And it's really nice. So maglagay tayo guys. So ito yung consistency niya. If you see, it's cream na very light. I'll just put here, and some on my neck. So I'll do this first. So neck, and then the face, forehead, nose, my chin, all over my face. And then, ang maganda dito guys, para siyang water base. Nagda-dry siya agad, but you'll still feel that your face is hydrated. Nawawala yung dryness. So, kasi kaliligo ko lang. And I feel na sobrang dry. Naglalagay ba kayo ng products sa lid nyo? Ako, yes. Sinasama ko siya kasi nagda-dry din siya. And it needs hydration para malesen yung pagbe-build ng wrinkles. So, yan. Konting massage. Massage your face, guys. If you are putting your hydrating products. So there you go. See, hindi siya sticky. It's non-sticky. It's like water-based, and the smell smells like watermelon with rose, something like that. Okay, so now after nyan, dry na yung aking moisturizer. And again, this is Pond's Healing Hydration in Watermelon. I need to buy another tub, another of this for myself. Kasi ubos na siya, guys. And I love it. See? Mind you guys, well, a bit of information of myself. I'm already 44 years old, and I am trying to lessen the building of wrinkles on my face. That's why for as much as I can, naglalagay talaga ako ng moisturizer. And because of this, I'm very thankful na I've known this from my friend Joanna, who gifted me this as a Christmas gift. Hindi ko na kailangan. I also use Pond's for my sunscreen. It's cream, so maganda naman siya, but yeah, this one you won't have to touch the product yourself. Hindi na siya magsistick sa kamay mo and and your face. So let's try this. So ginagawa ko, lagay na ako sa forehead, along the nose, papunta sa ilalim ng eyes. And sabi pa dito, it's powdery. So it means that you don't have to put on powder anymore. Kasi if you'll notice, guys, wala siyang sticky feeling. So sa leg, ayan. So ganyan ko lang siya nilalagay. And then somewhere here, under the chin. At ang sarap niya ilagay, guys. Kasi hindi siya nagbe-build up, hindi siya makapal sa pakiramdam. I even put here, kailangan din natin ng sunscreen dyan. See? I don't think that I need to put some powder on my face anymore. I can just put my foundation if I'll put some makeup right away. So, say, pag lumabas kayo sa beach or pag nag-beach kayo, nag-swim kayo, after an hour or 2, lagay na lang ulit kayo. Diba? At ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Oops. Ang sarap sa feeling nung nilalagay mo siya. Kasi it's just slide on your skin. It's just slide on your skin. I love this. Nature Republic, thank you so much for creating this. I love it. And I'll buy 2 more or more than probably 5. And I think this is around 500 plus. Tinignan ko siya sa Shopee and sa flag store nila. And yes, 500, I think 540 something. And I'm quite sure na magtatagal to sa akin. So, hindi siya magastos. And, ang sarap sa pakiramdam. I don't feel, pag hinawa ko mo siya, mafe-feel mo na nagsaslide yung hand mo sa face mo. It means it's hydrated. But it doesn't feel sticky, guys. You guys, I love it. Thank you so much, Nature Republic, for this. And you should try this as well, guys.